So in this slide, we are going to learn about Django and how the Django can do the interaction with DB. DB means the database. If we connect with the database, means we will save the data in the database, and then we want to get the data into our backend, so we can show it into the user database. Now we will take a look at the details. At the first stage, we will learn how to create a database, and then we will learn how to access the data. And at the end of the section, we will learn how to query the data. So that's why in the first part of the class, I mentioned to you, if you already have the knowledge about database, it is very helpful. But if you don't have any knowledge about database, we will learn together. And this will be a very simple database. Now, you already learned many things from the previous section. I'm going to make it a structure framework. Whenever you have a new application, so please consider this order. So you will do something related to the content of file. And yeah, I give the explanation. What are the contents of the code? At the first part, you need to consider what we call as the framework coding. So framework coding means we start the project. After we start the project, we need to deal with the setting. We need to do something related to the migration. We need to do something with creating the user information. We are making the application, and again we will do something related with the settings. So this is the setting part. After you finish with the setting part, you need to deal with the modeling. So the modeling means you need to make the model, or you need to make the table. And then you need to define what are the role of the admin. So we need to define the admin side. And after we make the model and after we make the admin side, we need to make the model modification. And last, we need to do the migration. So if you complete this part, then you can continue with what you learned on the first sections. We have three things. The first, we define the view. So we define all the logic. We define the functions introduced the UI. And then we define the URL. So we define the URL as the PY. And then we define the template coding. So the template coding means the HTML. Actually, I explained it first because it is the user interface or something to show in the HTML. Now it goes back to the backend. How to create an app, how to create the database, and how to deal all those things, the framework and the model into the template. So the starting for the framework. Okay, now let's make a new project. And for this new project, let me make the name as big project. Okay, now in the Django, okay, so you have a lot of files already. Now I will close this one. So you can go to File, and then there is a close project. So it means you will close and you can start with a new project. Okay. So let me close. So I can terminate this one. Now it shows in the welcome page. And after you have the welcome page, you can make a new project. Again, you will make a Django project. Actually, the name is up to you. Okay. The name can be anything, but let me make the name big project. Let me use the name big project for this section. And you can do the setup. Okay. The custom environment. Now I'm selecting the existing Python file, which is from the Anaconda. And I use the Python. And before you continue, you can do the advanced setting. So you can see we have the Django. So we are using the template folders, which is templates. So this is the folder that you always use to define the HTML file. And the application name. Actually, we can create this one here, but I will just skip this one. I will let you know how to make the application from the script. And the project name. The project name is big project. It refers to the project name is this one. And for this section, I would like to teach you how to use the admin. So we can enable the Django admin. So you can click here. Okay. So if you click this one, then you will start with the Django admin. If everything is good, then you can create. Okay, it takes some time to set up. So when you do the main exam, please make sure about computer. Because if you need to make a new project, it takes some time. It will delay the website creation. Okay. If you can compare with a good computer, for example, if you can put the laptop from our department, that will be better. Okay. Oops. Let me start again with making a new project. So I will close this one and then I will make a new project. I will make a new project maybe because I already did the big project. So I will make the big project too. Okay, and everything is here. So for the advanced setting, as I mentioned to you, let's create the Django admin. And let's see. Yeah, there is no issue with my laptop. but that's the issue with this computer. Yeah, if you look at this, need to open the. Okay, after you create the project, now I would like to teach you some setting modification. So after you have this project, you will see the files here. Okay. You will see the init, ASGI, settings, URLs, WSGI. I think you already learned these things before. So let's directly go to the settings. So in the setting, you will see one section about allowed hosts. Okay, what does it mean by allowed hosts? Whenever you do with the server environment, you need to determine something. Let's say in this computer, in your computer, in this room, there is a IP address. So the IP address can be defined as the server, or it can be for the allowed to be the host. If you look at this, I define the local hosts, okay, and 127.0.0.1. So in this case, I want to define that the local computer will be the host. So I can define local host and 127.0.0.1. It means other computer cannot run this website. Only the local host can run this website. Or if you have a specific IP address, you can also define here. And the specific IP address can be allocated for your server. Next, database. So the database, now I'm going to use the SQLite. So this SQLite is a database from the Django. It is a built-in database. It is by the default. We can use the SQLite 3. And by the default, the configuration use SQLite. So if you wish to use another database, you can install appropriate database binding and change the following key to the database default item to match your database connection settings. So let's say you want to use the, if you are familiar with MySQL, and you need to change this environment to MySQL. And then you need to install the library from MySQL and connect to this Django. Or if you want to use, let's say, Oracle, okay, and of course you need to install anything from the Oracle and then make the setting to connect to Oracle. You can see from this one, we have the database. So the database here is about the SQLite tree. So when you install Django, it is automatically to have the SQLite tree. And then next, the language code. Okay, so you can also define your language code. For example, later you want to make your Korean something website. Okay. Then you can do in the settings, So here you can see the language code. Now the language code is ENUS. It means this website will be in English. So you can define if you want to put any Korean character, then you can change to KOKR. So it means all the languages will be in the Korean, and yeah, this is the Korean location. Or if you want to have a specific language, for example, in Chinese language, there are two kinds of language. You can use the simplified Chinese, or you can use the traditional Chinese. So we have the ZN, so CH, it is about the simplified Chinese, and TW is the traditional Chinese. So you can define this one in the language code. The next, you can define the time zone. So last time, when we create the website, when I want to check the current time is always based on the UTC. UTC is the Universal Time Converter. The Universal Time Converter is located in the Greenwich or in the UK. Then that is the zero time. If you want to change the time zone into the Asia or Seoul, then you can change it. Then the time will be located in the Seoul time. If you want to change, it's up to you. I think I will not change it. So if you go to this section, you have the time zone. So the time zone you can change to Asia or Seoul. So the time will be same with the Seoul time. And then you can see also the use TZ. Use TZ means use the time zone. So use the time zone. Later on, there will be some function if we are using the time zone. It means we will use the time zone instead of using the Asia Seoul time. Because maybe your website is in Seoul, but you need to connect to some other database which is located in different areas. Then we need to have the time zone information. And the last one is about the internationalization. So this is about the internationalization or the localization. Sometimes you may need a kind of internationalization. Let's say you want to write in the Spanish or something related with the Arabic characters. Or maybe you want to also include some characters in Thai language. So the internationalization will help you to show those kind of characters. But if you use the localization, then it means it will use your current computer setting. If your current computer setting is Korean, then all those things will use the current computer setting. So you can see this using the use I18N. So this is the definition by the Django for the internationalization. So for the internationalization, those four are the default. I think I can keep this one for the internationalization. Okay, let me stop here. I think I will stop, and next week we can discuss this one together with the other students who cannot attend the class today.